This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Good evening basketball fans. Ito po ngayon ang second quarterfinals match between Max Sublimation in red or maroon. Marooners po sila, and also DJ Jana in white and blue and red combination po. Ito po yung host video, Arvin G Vlogs. Mga tibubusi po lahat. Welcome po tayo muli sa isang basketball action for the second quarterfinals match between DJ Giana and Max Sublimation. And please note, DJ Giana is enjoying a 2-point or 2-game twice to beat advantage po twice to beat advantage po. We'll see po kung mga after 10 minutes or 40 minutes basketball action kung sino po makakalaban po ng other bracket po between Janus Gumitio, Trajan's Barbershop and Cardinals. Yan po yan. Okay, ito po second quarterfinals match between Max Sublimation and DJ Gian. Sir, any thoughts po sir bago kayo magtanggol itong mga kalaban nyo, bago kayo maglaro? Any thoughts po this quarterfinals match?
Bibigyan namin yung best namin para magkaroon ng magandang game, saka mapanalo sana namin po game.
And Dave?
Wala yung rated namin, kaya alaruin na lang namin.
Then I will expect an adjustment po, no? Mag-adjust talaga ng todo.
Natrap na, imamantuman na namin simula first hanggang fourth para hindi ganun maalayo, para pagpawisan sila. Sige po. Okay, with it po. Good luck po muli to Max Sublimation po. And come up next po between Max Sublimation and DJ Giana. Thank you po. Okay, ito po tayo. This time around is DJ Giana between Silvado and Sir Padayaw. Sir, any thoughts po sir to avoid for yung to square with the Max Sublimation? Any thoughts po? Ano masasabi niyo po? Okay. Nandito kami para manalo.
Of course, siyempre. Okay.
And pinaghahandaan namin yung mga na kung manalo kami yung 10 years.
Take note po, meron kayo twice to beat advantage as a number 2 po.
May advantage yun, pero parang kukunin natin ngayon para makapagbalik.
Ayun ang habol niya rin, no? Sir Silvado, kayo po?
Good evening po sa lahat ng viewers ng liga na to. Sana makuha namin ngayon to at saka pinagandaan naman natin. Saka nag-practice naman kami.
Ano po masasabi po namin sa laro po ito right now? What to expect po as a Giana?
Medyo, yung laro namin, medyo didiin kami.
Talaga na.
Oo, kami ngayon. Okay,
with it po, congratulations po, and good luck po pala sa upcoming quarterfinals match between Max Sublimation. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good evening basketball fans. Welcome po ngayon po sa ating basketball action right now for the second quarterfinals match between DJ Giana and white and blue combination versus Max Sublimation in red. Okay. Tingnan naman dito. Si Philip na naman. Pag si Philip tumatawag, nakakatakot. Ito na po tayo mga kababayan. First 5. Hello sir, yes sir. Good evening sir. Opo. Saan po sir? Thank you po. Okay, first quarterfinal, second quarterfinals match on the way now between Max Sublimation and DJ Giana. Max Sublimation clad in the maroon colors and DJ Giana clad in white, red, and blue combination po ng kanilang uniforme. First quarter action. Ito na, Bacala and Company versus Perido and Company. Ito na po mga kababayan. Ito na po ngayon. Book Calderon. Good evening po sir.
And Jen Kai Kim is already watching also. Second quarterfinals match between DJ Giana and Max Sublimation. Jumble po tayo mga kabayan. Jumble po tayo. Two points. Okay, Max Sublimation opening already the game. Okay, ito po tayo yun. Ramos, naka-rebound po to Max Sublimation to Mendoza. Mendoza to Perido. Setting up the play to Mendoza. Pops up for 2. 2 points, Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points po mga kababayan. Now, Amada may tahan ng bola with Padayaw. Amada versus with Tam, called by Tam. Foul called by Tam. Balak yung foul po tinapos sa kanya. Padayaw. Sumobra. Nakuha ng Max Sublimation. Pinakalala. Tam driving in. Nakalusot po si Tam. High flying Tam. Look. Ayan si Ramos. 2 points Ramos. What a putback by Ramos now again. 6-0 run already been posted by Max Sublimation. Limpo getting a pick. Nope, lost the ball. Amada called again now. Foul number 5, Amada against Tam. Okay, ito po tayo yun, Tam, and now to Perido. Perido po tayo, Perido. Tam versus Amada. Nakalusot. Okay, Ramos. Double traffic, walang pinasahan. Ulit. 2 points ulit. Ulit, go for 2. Ito na po tayo mga babae. Ito na po tayo yun. Ito na po. Max Sublimation 6-2. Mendoza to Perido. Perido. Driving. Shake and pick. Nakuha ng pick. Perido. Nope. Nakuha ni Bacala. Bacala driving. Amada. Lim. Nope. Lim again. 2 points Lim. Lim 2 points. 6-4 points score po natin yun. A 14 nating run. Din na already posted by DJ Giana. Amada. Nalusutan ni Tam. Nalusutan and ulit. Pag isa. Going. Going and gone. Ulit. 2 points. Amada. Nalakong bola. Amada naman. 2 points muli. Okay. 6-8. 8-2 nating run. Already been posted. Change Faber na po tayo yun. 6-8-2, 2-point lead already been posted by DJ Giana. Tam na ako ng Piki Padayaw. Tam for 3. No. And nakuha ni Padayaw to Bacala. Bacala driving in. Bacala. Lim. 2 points Lim. And 1 play pa. Basket made po tayo ngayon by Lim.
Who's ball? On number 33. Ramos. A 23 shot.
Ha!
Ball shot by Liam Peru. Ibang by Ramos.
Okay po tayo nga. Okay, ito po pala, first quarter pa lang po tayo ha mga kabayan. First quarter pa lang tayo ha. First quarter lang po tayo ngayon. Nandun po ng MC Cargo. Tam, nope. Amada against Perido. Amada. Pinasa kay Bacala. Bacala side step move. No. To Amada again. Amada. Ayan na. Driving in. Padayaw. No. Dalawa sila Bacala. Bacala. Two. No. Pa rin. Palpal ni Ramos. One more time. Bacala. Lim. And 3-second violation na tinawag. Hindi na nakapagantay yung referee kaya tinawahan sila ng 3-second violation. Mendoza for 3, no. Ramos driving in. Fadeaway shot. No. Bacala. Bacala driving. Bacala going. Lim for the power move. It's down. Foul sa baba, sabi ni referee. Referee Hans calling some foul sa baba. Okay, Mendoza called for the foul. Okay, Bacala for the inbound. Bacala driving in. Pagdayaw. Nandun si Lim to Amada. Amada nakalusot. Nakuha ng max formation. Nakuha ni Tam. 2-on-1 situation. Pirito, Tam. Pirito. 2 points Pirito. 8-10. Good ball, good D. Okay, Bacala nakalusot. Scoop shot move. It's okay. 2 points. Bacala 2 points. Good. Again, Pirito calling the shots. Ramos driving in. Foul on Lim. Okay, foul on Lim. 2 free throws awarded kay Ramos. These free throws brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. McDonald's Qatar. Sa Qatar, laparin natin to. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. We're here live right now sa Perling Sising International School in Doha. Any teams who want to join to our Class D Intermediate, please go to the FB page for the PSBQ. We have still 3 slots available po sa aming tournament. Please come now and join us with this tournament po ito. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Ayan po itong free throw to ay balandog po ng McDonald's Qatar. McDonald's Qatar, nasa Qatar po, laparin natin to. McDonald's Qatar. Ramos first shot, pasok. Second shot ni Ramos. Last throw, jumpers ready. Okay, last throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Ramos, pops up. Nope. Nako ni. Nako ng ano, nakita ko mo ni Ramos. Time for 3. Nope. Okay, that's it. Balik po rin po sa anong bola. Take note po, since ito yung quarterfinals match, anything goes na po ito. Pwede na po mag-sub kahit anong oras po, kahit anong gusto nila. Ruizo, Salvado, nope. Nandun, Sestapa. Prito, pops up for 3. Kapos. Pade. Okay, now Salvado again driving in. Nilabas. Nako naman doon sa out of bounds. Okay, out of bounds po. Same ball po tayo. DJ Giana ball pa rin tayo. DJ Giana ball. Bola po ng DJ Giana. Tuloy po tayo. Ruizo to Adriano to Gabriel. Gabriel driving in. Nandito sa Salvado. And stolen away by Perito. Eto si Perito, nagmamadali muli. 4-on-1. 4-on-1. Mendoza, pumiposisyon. Ramos, driving in. Side step move. No. Ruizo. Ruizo. Good ball. Tam. Nakaribang si Tam. Tam. Binababa yung bola. Tam. Tam. Driving in. Mendoza. Ramos sa Salvado, dinuko sa ilalim. Wala. Gabriel, may tangan ng bola. Si Gabriel, against Tam yun. Nakakuha ng pick kay Salvado. Na sumobra ang pasa. Here, Tam. Tam! 2 points, Tam. Tam, 2 points. Okay, Tam. It's a foul called. Okay, timeout, max sublimation po tayo yun. Timeout, max sublimation. Again po, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, Facebook Basketball League po tayo yun. We're always live here right now po sa the Pearling Season International in Doha. And you're watching right now the second quarterfinals match between DJ Gianna and Max Sublimation. DJ Gianna enjoying a 2-game advantage over Max Sublimation. Ika nga, pag nanalo po DJ Gianna, it's done. Waiting na po sila sa first semifinals slot po natin yun sa division dito. This host with you, Arvin G. Vlogs here. Ito po yung ating capacity close po right now. Ayan na po. Okay, Ruizo to Gabriel. Gabriel and Gabriel, pinasok na muna si De Leon. Okay, out of bounds. Balik po muli po sa balik po muli po tayo sa Max Sublimation ng bola. Mac ball. And Perido to Romel. Perido pops up for 3. Nope. One more time. Doon ko sila lalim. Wala. Si Mansueto nandun. Mansueto to Salvado. And it's a foul of Mendoza. Okay, Gabriel for the inbound. Sabi to ni RJ Zauben, pa-shoutout kami kay Santos EJ, coach ng Lucky Fellas. Okay, sir. Good evening po, sir. And Coach EJ po ng Lucky Fellas, Salvado for shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Maharlika Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Maharlika Cuisine. Siyempre, the best tasting pastel in town po yan. Matatagpo lang po yan sa Joan area, in Al-Sad area, in Doha. Maharlika Cuisine. Ang lasa ay laging sigurado. Second throw, good. 14-11 ang score po natin. Perito may tangan ng bola. Kinuha ni Tulyao, ni Nichols. Nandun si Max Sublimation. Wala kasi number. Tulyao. Estapa pala. Si Estapa. Tulyao. For 3. Kapos. Nakuha ni Mansueto ang bola. Mansueto got the ball now. Driving in to Ruizo. Pops up for 2. No. Rel Salvado. Naka-rebound. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni De Leon ang bola. De Leon. Kinaliwa. Palpal ni Gabriel. Nice deep by Gabriel. Gabriel driving in kay Mansueto muna. Mansueto 2 points. Mansueto 2 points po kagad. Okay, back to po niyo po sa DJ Gianna ng bola. Mga kababayan, hindi po kasama rito. Huwag niyong pasahan ng bola. Sa kawawing camera namin dito pag masira. Okay, shoutout naman from Aman Jordan. Yeah, ma'am, good evening po. Good luck po, DJ Gianna. Good luck po sa inyo, madam. And ingat po kayo dyan parati sa Jordan. Gabriel Ruizo for 3. No! Okay, substitution made now. Number 2 in para kay Ruizo. Number 24 out. And now Nichols to Mr. De Leon, to Nichols again. Nichols driving in. Nichols. Estapa. Nichols. Back for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Salvado bola. Baseball pass to Gabriel. Nakuha ni Nichols. Completing the steal. Tuloy again. 3 points, Tulyao. Okay, 3 points. The score is 14-16. 52 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Salvado naman. Wala. Nichols. Nakalusot si Nichols. Good ball. And Nichols again. Got the ball. Nichols muna for 3. Ayun. Pinasa lang niya. Nichols. Guina. De Leon. Guina. Cutting in. Nope. Nandun si Gabriel. Nice deep by Gabriel. Number 5, Echike. No. Okay, number 7. 10 seconds remaining. Ramos. Lost the ball. Balik po muli po sa DJ Giana ang bola. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. DJ Giana. Gabriel. Wala. Jay Mabasa, good day din po sa iyo, sir. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. We're always live here right now sa the Purling Season International School in Doha. And also, sama ko po ito sa FB Live po namin, sa aming FB page. And later po, ang video will be uploaded po sa aking YouTube channel, Arvin G Vlogs, along with the interviews. Muli po, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Second quarter action po tayo yun. Okay, second quarter action po tayo yun. Handled naman po ito ng MC Cusin, ang aming lasay, laging sigurado. PSBQ, ang liga ng mga sikat. Okay, now si Bacala for the inbound. Bacala for the inbound with ayun na, with Padayaw. Padayaw, nag-drive. Sinubo lang ang bola. Shoutout kay Mr. Hansel Gabriel. Shoutout po sa lahat. Ha ha ha. Sabi ni CJ, ay, backing violation. CJ Nanib. Okay, Glenn Padayaw again for the inbound. Glenn Padayaw to Amada. Amada. Mahmoud again. No. Malamig pa, malamig pa. Okay, Nichols. Nichols driving. Ako ni Amada ang bola. Ayun na kay Bacala. Bacala. 2 points for Bacala. Timeout na called by Max Sublimation. DJ Giana threatening to pull out to break the game open. The score is 14-20 na po. At 6-point lead been posted already by DJ Giana. Second quarter na po tayo. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball. In the second quarter is brought to by MC Cusin. Ang aming last ay laging sigurado. Max Sublimation Ball po tayo. Okay, Tam, pinasok po muli. Perido to Tam. Tam driving in. Tam, okay, Tam. May ano po si Tam. Nakakuha ng pick, driving. Kick, pass kay Perido. 3 points. 3 points, Perido. Okay, Amada naman, may tangan ng bola. Pito lang. Nope na pito. 3 lang po. 17-20. Padayaw. Padayaw. Driving in is a foul called to Mendoza. Mendoza called for the foul. Third na po ni Mendoza. DJ Gianas inbounding si Padayaw. Nagato mapasahan. Ayan si number 12. Palpal ng Bagya. Palpal ng Bagya. Ayun si Padayaw muli. 2 points Padayaw. 17-22. Mendoza took. No. Okay, Mahmoud. Wag mo na raw. Bacala. Bacala muna. Kay Bacala. Bacala driving in. Bacala. Kick pass kay Mahmoud sana. Same ball. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Substitution na Mendoza. Labas muna para kay number 23. Ng Max Sublimation. Estepa pala rather. Si Mr. Estepa. Bacala. Still completed by Ramos. Okay, De Leon, naging Samada, De Leon, 2 points De Leon. Okay, pass broken by Mahmoud, to Mahmoud. Jacking in po, Tame Amada, Padayaw, Nook, Chosen, to De Leon again, De Leon versus Natividad, De Leon! Wow! Sayang! Walang foul. Padayaw naman! 2 points, Padayaw. Nice pa sana. Ba't ganito? Okay. Tam. Ramos. 2 points, Ramos. Yan ang kinakala nila para to keep them in the game. Wala silang big man ngayon. Bakala naman. 2 points, Bakala. 21-26. Tam, hounded. Tam! What a pass! What a play by Tam! Bakala naman, papawi. Almost stolen away. Bakala driving in. Palpal! Pero may sabit. May sabit siya. Okay, this free throw is brought to by Giannis Gumetio. Mamili po kayo, Team Spicy o Team Original. Ito po ang Giannis Gumetio. Bakala, shot not made sa una, pangalawa, jumpers ready po tayo. Bakala, binording na lang para pumasok. Ramos, inbounding to Perito. Tam, driving si Tam. Foul sa baba. Foul on number 12. Number 12, brother. May foul po siya. De Leon to Chosen. Perito. No good. Nando si Padayaw. Padayaw nagmamadali. Number 12. Malakas. Okay, Tam ngayon. Tam versus Amada. Tam. Perito. Okay, selfless play made. Dalawa lang po yan. 25-27. Bakala. Wala. Okay, ingat lang po tayo po. Macball po, 25-29, 4-point lead po ngayon ng DJ Giana. And also, thank you lang si Miss Sandra ng MC Cargo naman. Area manager na po yan ng Dubai branch po. Ay, stepping violation. Huwag muna. Magagad ko. Natividad. Stop by Perito. Hounded. Padayaw. Versus Ramos. Padayaw. Nakalusot. Pero stop and shoot. No. Rebound. Estapa. Tutam. Ayukin De Leon. Wala. 2 points De Leon. Okay, 27. Dalawa lang ang laban. Again, Tam versus Amada. Padayaw. Foul. Puspa rep. Ramos called for the foul. Shooting for 2 is Mr. Padayaw. Handog po yan ng MC Cargo. Ang yung padra ay laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Available in 2 branches po. 1 in Dubai and 1 in Doha. MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. Okay, Padayaw to shooting for 2. Ramos, dalawang po si Ramos, Padayaw. First shot, basket made. Second throw ni Padayaw. Second throw, Padayaw, number 11. It's wala. Ramos for the rebound. Ramos now to Perido. Perido and Tam positioning. Nandiyan si De Leon, nagmamadali, driving. 2 points De Leon. O, isa na lang, 29-30. Nakuha Lee. Sayang. Okay, so 15 minutes na. Padayaw, labas muna para kay Salvado. And si Tam muna, labas muna para kay number 15. Para kay number 17 rather, na Max Sublimation. Ayun, Salvado! Oy! Nakapawa, nakapik. Perido called for the foul. Shooting for 2 is si Salvado, number 5. Handog po yan ng Qatar Sublimation Sportswear by Z Ranyada. Uniforms for all kinds of shapes, sports, and sizes. Handog po yan ng Qatar Sublimation by Miss Z Ranyada. Salvado, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 29-31. Second throw na. Wala. De Leon. Perido. Gina. Gina pops up. No. And touch last by De Leon. Ulep. Ulep. Ulep driving. Ulep. Kick pass kay Bakala. Bakala. Binabantayan. It's good. And it's done. Symbol po tayo. Symbol po tayo. DJ Giana. Bakala. Nagantong mapasahan. At nandun si Macbud. Mansueto. 2 points. And +1. This free throw is brought to you by ANC Kitchen. Quality papagana sa iyong hapagkainan. ANC Kitchen, chili garlic oil to order. Just visit the page for details. Okay, Mansueto completing the 3-point play. 29-34. Lamang muli po na 5 ang DJ Giana. Okay, Perido. Perido, may tanga ng bola. Perido. Perido muli. Galing kay Gina. Perido against Bakala. Gina. Against Ulep. Gina. Floater shot. Pasok. Mansueto. Driving in. Salvado. Sinubo lang. Wala. Okay, kick pass kay Gina. Gina. Broken pass kay Bakala. Symbol po tayo. Symbol, symbol, symbol. Now, Mr. Lim, papasok naman kay Mahmoud. Another big man came. Mr. Lim. Okay, Chosen, Perido. Pops up. Bang! Don't look now. Tabla na po tayo. Deadlock of the game. Okay. Mansueto. Foul sa ilalim. Who's pa rep? Who's foul? Number 7 called for the foul. Substitution muna. Nichols papasok. Mansueto shooting for 2. Andun po yun ang JPX TV. JPX na ang Sakalam. Apparel po yan. Kasama po yan. Nagdi-drills po yan. Yan po si JPX TV. JPX na ang Sakalam. Perido. Lako ni Salvado bola. Salvado. Mansueto. Bakala. No. Nakoli. Gina ang bola. Gina. Gina. Check po. Uniperido. Nako ni Perido ang bola. Nichols. Nichols for 3. Nope. Nando si Salvado. Nariban na bola. Salvado ngayon. Salvado. Mansueto. Salvado. Ulep. Ulep. Thinking 3. Ulep. Pasok ang bola. Ulep. Master Ulep. Nakatira po ng 3. Pasok. The score is 34-38. Lamang muli po ang DJ Giana ng 4. Pirido, babawi ba? Hindi. Nakuha naman siya itong bola. Ulit na naman for 3. Pasok. Back to back 3 points. Back to back 3 points po. Inulo po ni Ulep. Gina to Pirido. To Romel. Malakas. Nako lilimin ang bola. Nako ni Romel. Romel. Size po. Palpal. Salvado ang bola. Palpal na. Nahuli pa yung bola. Sa kanila pa ang bola. Okay, ano muna? Romel, nilabas mo na si Romel. Gina, nilabas muna. Okay, si Tam. Bumalik ulit si Tam. Tam versus Amada. Tam. Amada. Salvado. No. Rebound. Ramos. Ramos. Mendoza Kapos. A minute remaining. Ulep. 2 points Ulep. Kiniluwa pa. Ulep. Kiniluwa ang bola. Tam. Tam. Versus Natividad. Badard. Still completed. Nope. Balik po muli po sa makang bola. Okay, substitution made to be made now. Romel, labas muna. Para kay number 11. Tam. Dilabas muna para kay Natividad. Kay Tulyao. Tulyao again. Tulyao. May tangan ng bola. Tulyao against Amada. Nakawala. Pops up for 3. Bang! Si Din. 37-43, 6-point lead po ang ng DJ Giana. Ulep, nakalusot. Pasok din. Nice shot by Ulep. Tam. Nichols. Nako, Kapos. 1 second. No more. Wala na yun. This is your best PQ Basketball League. We would like to thank final sponsors, McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Janus Gumituyo, MC Kusimpa, MC Cargo, Qatar Sublimation, MC Kitchen, JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 John's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Aqua Plus One, Lombar, Loming Barako, Kapeng Barako by Lombar, and HV Kicks, and these are always PSBQ Basketball League. Halftime po tayo ngayon mga babae, and standby po tayo sa third quarter action. Shoutout po sa mga 205 boys. Sabi ni Daryl Miranda Makalinaw, 205 boys. They're managers, no problem. They're managers and sponsors. Half time po tayo mga kababayan. Half time po tayo. Ang score po natin is 37-46 up. A 9-point lead advantage by DJ Giana. Basta. Okay, DJ Giana naman. Bukas, balik pa lang doon. Ingat po sa lahat, sabi ni Madam Fe. Okay po, ma'am. Ingat din po sa inyo, ma'am. Kapag gaya po dyan, ingat po sa inyo. Shoutout tayo doon, sabi ni Mr. Gamgam. Anthony Gamgam, shoutout daw. Okay, sino pa ba? Pa-shoutout din. Ngayon, ni 205 Boys. Okay. Po yan ang Qatar Sublimation by G. Ranyada. Third quarter action. Okay. Macball. Macball daw, Macball. Ay, shoutout daw, sabi ng Bakala. Bakala, shoutout daw. Macball. Change court na po tayo, change court. Okay, this time now, Nichols and Company and Limin Selbado and Company. Third quarter action. Okay, Nichols, eto na. Estepa rather. Tam. High flying by Tam. Ayun. Amada. Nagkantay. Bakala is a foul. Foul on Nichols. Nichols Tulyao, Nichols.
First ball. Max elimination.
Makball po tayo. Ayun! Padayaw. 2 points kagad ang biligay. Okay, Tam driving in. Kick pass. Yang. Nope. Ramos. Naka-rebound. Mendoza. Almost stolen away. Mendoza. Ramos. Sayang sa ilalim. Bakala, bothered, pati sapat. Okay, the score is 37-50 at 13-point lead already been posted by DJ Giana. Tam nagmamadali. 2 points, Tam, 2 points. Amada lost the ball. Double team. Salvado, 4-on-2 situation. 3 points, Salvado. Good ball. Padayaw. Malakas. One more time kay Padayaw. Okay, pinasa muna kay Bakala. Bakala, driving in. Padayaw. And 3-second violation. Tinawagan si Lim. Lim called for the 3-second violation. Okay, Ramos for Tam. Yeah. Points, Tam. Okay, tuloy po tayo yung Padayaw, may tayo ng bola. Padayaw, siya yung fake move. Bakala for 3, nope. Nag-drive na lang siya. Pinasa kay Limin. Si Daisy. Foul. Foul number 4, Tulyao. Or Nichols, rather. Take 2 para kay Mr. Lim.
Free throw by Lim.
This free throw is brought to you by, of course, HB Kicks. From Jordan's to LeBron's, HB Kicks has all for you. HB Kicks. To order the shoes, just visit the FB page for details. HB Kicks. Second throw, nope. And it's a si Daisy. Touch dash pala ng Mac ball. Kaya balik po rin po tayo sa DJ Gian ang bola. Okay, ito na po tayo. Shuffle. Padayaw. Salvado for 3. Uy! Who's foul rep? Substitution muna po tayo yun. This time si Mendoza nilabas muna para kay Romel. Eto na po tayo. And Salvado nagmadali. Salvado, 2 points. 2 points Salvado. Mr. Stretch-O-Matic. Foul number 5, Amada. Substitution being made now, Tam for 2. Handog po ay ng Kapeng Braco by Lombard. Yan ha. Kapeng Braco by Lombard. Restaurant po yan. Diyan po yan sa Barro Village in Wakra. Kapeng Braco by Lombard. And also of course, Lombard Restaurant din pala. Lombard Restaurant. No good. 42-55. 13 pa rin po kalamang. 13 pa rin. Mansueto. Uy! Ano yun? Tam. Papsak. Foul. Bakala called for for the foul.
First, Mr. Ball.
Okay, this free throw is brought to you by Aquafos Qatar. Stay hydrated. Aquafos Qatar. This available all kinds of capacity, volume, and colors po yan. Just visit every page po nila po for details. To order po yan, ha. Tam, first shot, pasok. Style, colors, and sizes po yan. Available po yan. Second throw ni Tam, jumpers ready. Tam, second free throw. Okay, both basket made. 11 kalamangan po ng DJ Giana. Si Macbud, pinasok muna ulit. Para kanino? Kay Salvado. Si Limden, nilabas muna para kay ulit. Okay, balik pumuli tayo. Now, si Bakala. Macbud. Ulep now, being hounded by Tam. Bakala, second pick move. Bakala, and one play made. This free throw is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into reality. Imprint Advertising. Okay, Bakala. Bakala. Yes, sir. Binording nila para makasigurado. Okay, Perito. Tam. Binato muna kay Ramos. Ramos, power move. Palpal. One more time. Wala pa rin. Rebound, di Padayaw. Baseball pass. Nakuha ni Perito. Perito driving in. Ha! Out of bounds. Wala pa rin digigyan na muli. Padayaw. Bakala rather. Bakala. Hinahanap si Padayaw. Ay, si Mansueto. Okay, Bakala muli. Bakala for 3. Offline. Okay, substitution mo lang yun. Natividad para kay Bakala. Romel for Perido. Romel. Perido. Tam. Tam. Nakalusot. Tam. Pops up. Thanks. Macbud 2 points. The typical 100 din Macbud gumagana na rin. 46-60, 14-point lead. Romel, foul by Mansueto. Mansueto called for the foul, pero sa baba po yun. Di siya active shooting, kaya inbound si Romel. Romel din for the inbound to Chosen. Perito to Romel. Ramos, toss the ball. Ulep naman. Ulep. Adriano, pops up. 2 points. Adriano 2 points also. Tam. Perido. Perido, foul. Adriano called for the foul. Again, muli po tayo. To Romel. Kay Ramos, power move sana. Nakuha ni Mansueto. Nakuha ni Perido. Perido. Romel. Pops up for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Mansueto ang bola. Mansueto. Ulep. Ulep. Pops up for 3. Nope. Estapa. Estepa rather. Jose Perido. Romel. Naku, malakas. Nice shot by Bakala. And it's a time at the cold. 46-62. Laman po ng 16. 18 na po, 40-60 po. Lamang po na huling 18 ang, of course, DJ Giana.
Our next game, Deep South versus Drum and Dance.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. 4 minutes, 35 seconds remaining sa ating larong po ito. 4 minutes, 35, 46-64. Laman po ng 18 ang DJ Giana. Okay, balik po tayo ngayon. Ito na. Ito na si Pirido. Pirido attacking. Tam. Pops up. Floater. Wala. Kapos. Ulit naman. Foul. Foul on Pirido. Take 2 si Ulep. This free throw is brought to you by PLBL. Ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar, PLBL. Every Fridays po yan sa Arab School number 1 in Doha. PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Ulep, second throw, jumpers ready. Okay. The score is 46-65 at 21-point lead already been posted. Or rather, 19-point lead already. 19-point lead. Ramos almost lost the ball. Sa ilalim, malalim masyado. Okay, balik ulit tayo. Ochige. Pops up. No, ayaw niya. Kay Salvado daw. Wala. Ayun si Natividad. 2 points si Natividad. Yes, no? Si Madam Sandra. Malisa, no? Wow. Ano pa oras mo flight niya? Okay. No flight niya. Romel. Pinasa kay Tam. Pops up for 3. No. Okay, that's out. Ano ang spoiler flight niya? Bukas. Okay. Umaga? Okay. Okay. Good luck na lang sa kanya. Ochige. Ruizo. Natividad. Salvado to Natividad. Natividad. Ruizo. Nope. Gina. Nabantayan. Okay, ito na po tayo. Kay Perido. Malakas. Nakuha ni. Si Daisy. Touchless by Mr. Romel ang bola. Balik pumuli tayo sa... Of course, DJ Giana. 22 points na po ang kalamang po nila. Natividad. Almost taken away the ball. Okay, to Ochige. Ochige. Nope, ayaw niya. Pops up. 2 points. $16-point lead. Natividad, and it's a foul. Ruizo called for the foul. Ito na po tayo yun. Sige po. Relo, labas muna para kay Pumida. Mendoza for 3. Nope. Ay, Salvado. Lead pass kay Uchige. Uchige naman. Uchige. Ruizo. Dr. X. Ruizo. Nilabas mo ni Ruizo ang bola. Ruizo. Uchige. Pops up. Nope. Rebound din natin bidat. It's a foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 7 called for the foul. Adriano shooting for 2. Handog po ng 3 John's Barbershop. Ayan ha. The only present 100% owned Pinoy barbershop here in Qatar. Trigians Barbershop, 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. In 2 branches po yan, 1 in Al Sadd and 1 in Mansura. Okay, that's it. Balik po muli po sa Macambola. 2 minutes, 4 seconds remaining sa larong ito. Perido to Gina to Perido. Perido may tangan ng bola. Perido against to Chike. Nakalusot si Perido. Perido muli. Kick pass. Kick of Pumita. Gina. No. Mendoza. Wala pa rin. Nice. Interception. Pumita. Perido. Floater shot. Wala. Rebound ni Mendoza. To Perido. Palpal. Isa pa daw. Adriano! 2 points Adriano. Okay, ito na. Ramos. Ramos. Wala. Ruizo. Ochike. Ochike nagmamadali. Napigilan. Ruizo. Ruizo driving. Floater shot. Palpal Bagya. Good ball. Ochike. Pasok ang bola kay Chike. Max sublimation call for the timeout. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Yan ha. PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league for the Class D Division, Intermediate Division, just please go to our page for details. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Back, so what are you? Okay, 50 seconds remaining. Okay, Macball. Macball po tayo, Macball. Perido. Against Ruizo. Perido nakalusot. Kick pass kay Pumida. Bang! Oh, stepping violation. Balik. Balik sa Macball ang bola. Tumapak sa linya. Tumapak sa linya ang bola. Mendoza. Pumida na naman. Nope. Mendoza. 2 points Mendoza. Okay, 5-0 run. Romel. Ruizo to Gabriel. And actividad. Nope. Foul on Perido. Okay, this screen is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. Po, at actividad, di po na shoot ang bola. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Actividad, second throw, jumpers ready. It's pasok. 5 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. Mendoza. And wala na. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Standby po tayo 4th quarter action. Okay, final quarter na po tayo. Handog po yun lang Janas Gumay-Tuyo. Available in pizza and 2 flavors po. Team Spicy or Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Yan po ang Janas Gumay-Tuyo. Yan ha. PSBQ, ang liga ng mga sikat. Okay, fourth quarter action na po tayo ngayon. Fourth quarter action. Final quarter na po tayo ngayon. Huha! Okay, bola po ng DJ Giana ang bola. Okay, balik pa rin po. Same ball pa rin tayo. Padayaw, 2 points. Long 2. Mendoza. Gina. Wala, malakas. Lim. Okay, 2 points, 2 shots. Bibigay sa kanya. Third personal foul ni Nichols. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike Movement, basketball trainings, and many more. Sagot po yan ng Coach Mike Movement. Master Game. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike Movement. Bakala, both basket never made. Tam for 3. No. Bakala for the rebound. Bakala. Gabriel. Bakala. Side step move. Pasok. Okay, Tam. Against Gabriel. Tam. Naipit. It's foul. Who's foul? Rep. Okay, Gabriel called for the foul. Okay, this free is brought to you by Trijan's Barbershop. Yan po yan, ha? Trijan's Barbershop. In 2 branches po yan. One in Mansura, one in Alsad. And also this only 100% owned Pinoy Barbershop. Here in Qatar. Trijan's Barbershop. Okay, second throw. Jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready. It's pasok. Basket rate, 17-point lead. Ang laman po ng DJ Giana. Fourth quarter action na po tayo. Padayaw, malakas. Ayun, si Bakala. Gabriel versus Tam. Nakalusot. Ayun. 23, nope. Rebound ni Amada. Amada, Nako Nichols. Pops up again. Pasok ang bola. Sige, laban lang mga kababayan. And Bakala, 2 points. Bakala, 2 points. Tuliao, nope. Mendoza. Pops up. Kapos. Amada. Hahahay. Dumulas. Okay, Ruizo para kay Amada. Napagod niya ata. Amada, dinabas muna kay Ruizo. Tam. Mendoza, Tam, Tuliao. Tuliao to Mendoza. Mendoza is a nope, it's a traveling violation. Traveling violation ang tinawag. Then we will try, yeah. Bakala. Saan ka pupunta? Pops up. Nope. Okay, to Tam. Tam! 2 points, Tam. Nice one by Tam. Okay. 16-point lead. No, this is yan. Padayaw! No! Nakuha ni Perido. Perido. Ramos. Foul! Ruizo called for the foul. Ruizo called for the foul. Perido for the inbound. Perido, Tam. Tam again against Ruizo. Tutuliao. Bang! 60-83, 23-point lead po Kalamangan. Ruizo naman. Wala. Rebound, dilim. Free throws po yan by Janice Gumitiyo. Available in 3 flavors, 2 flavors po yan. Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Yan po ang Janice Gumitiyo. Mamili po kayo. Okay, Lim for the inbound, for the free throws. First shot, wala. Second throw ni Lim. Jumpers ready at 6 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Now, fourth quarter action. Lim again. Both basket not made. Tuliao. Perido. Perido driving. Perido. Side step move kay Tam. Tam. Tapos. Tam again. Perido for Tam. Tam. Pops up. Yesuri. Gabriel. Padayaw. Padayaw. Estepa for Padayaw. Padayaw. And one play made. Adriano shooting for the ball free throw. Handog po yan ng MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. MC Cuisine. Okay, si Lim pinagpahinga muna para kinatibidad. Mansueto. Sino? Ayaw, ay di pinapasok. Adriano. Okay. Completed 3-point play. Sino substitution? Okay, one protected for the bench po. Digana for delay the game. Ruizo versus Perido. Nakuha ni tamang bola. Double team. Traveling violation. Balik po muli po sa DJ Gianang bola at 5 minutes 11 seconds remaining. Eto na po tayo ngayon. Gabriel driving in. Kay Padayaw, pops up, nope. Driving in. Down sa baba. Foul sa baba. 31 called for the foul. Ramos. Sa skwalado, 5 minuto na lang natitira. Manseto for 3. Wala. Gabriel naman. For 3. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Perido ang bola. Tam. Lead pass kay Tam. Uy, sayang. Wala rin. Okay. Adriano, touchless. Macball po tayo. Macball. Tam. 2 points, Tam. Tam for 2 points. 64-86. DJ Giana looking to book the second final, semi-final seat. Nope. Nichols. Tam. Perido, good ball. Okay. 66. DJ Giana nag-call for the timeout. Di nila gusto nangyari ngayon. Umabol yung ano. Umabol ang max sublimation. 20 sarado. Okay, 4 minutes remaining. Squalado, 4 na minutos. Ochike versus Tam. Ochike. Adriano. Nope. Ramos. Perido, kiniliwa. Pasok ang bola. Okay, 68-86. 18. Hey! Good ball. Okay. Still completed. Tam. Tupa! Uy! Inalog pa palabas. Okay, that's it. Balik ulit tayo. 3 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Macball po tayo. Macball. It's the Mac. Bola ni Mac. Yoo-hoo! Chosen. Driving. Sa baba. Down.
Ball number 23,
Gabriel called for a foul. Okay, Perido for the inbound. Perido, Ramos. Traveling violation. Traveling violation po si Ramos. Balik po muna si Digigan ang bola. 2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining of the last quarter action. Gabriel driving in. Nope. Si Mansueto. Si Gabriel sa ilalim. Pasok. Timeout. Max sublimation po. Ito po ang Pinoy Style Bowlers. Anything want to join our Class D Intermediate Division, just visit the page for details. Pinoy Style Bowlers, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Yeah. Back to the ball game. Yeah. Okay, 20 mo pumuli kalamangan. Okay, max sublimation may bola. Okay, final 2 minutes 37 seconds remaining. Gabriel against Perido. And lost the ball. Almost lost the ball. At tumama sa sa speaker. Tumama sa speaker ang bola. Pahamak ang speaker. Okay, Ochige against sa Pomida. Oh! Offensive foul called. Adriano called for the offensive foul. Okay, ito na. Oh, Macball. Mendoza against Ruizo. Mendoza. Ramos lost the ball. Ochige. Ruizo. 3 points. Okay, 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. Perido, 2 points. Perido, 2 points.
Gabriel. Ruizo. Wala. Mendoza. Okay, 2 points Mendoza. Mendoza 2 points. Ochike. Ochike. Wala. Mendoza. A minute remaining. Pumida for 3. Wala. Okay, safety na lang tayo. 59 seconds remaining. Mansueto. Wala. Mendoza for 3. Wala pa rin. Okay, safety na lang po tayo. 40 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Back sublimation conceded already. And welcome to the semifinals. Semifinals, DJ Giana. Okay, before we go now, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Welcome to the semis po. Welcome to the semis po, DJ Giana. Okay, PSB Basketball League. We'd like to thank our following sponsors. First of all is HB Kicks, Kapeng Barako, Lombar, Aqua Plus One, Imprint Advertising, PLBL, 3 John's Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, ANC Kitchen, Qatar Sublimation by Ziranyada, MC Cargo, Janus Comitio, MC Cuisine, McDonald's Qatar, and of course, ito po ang yung liga na masikat, Pinoy Star Bowlers Qatar. Live always po tayo sa the Pearling Season International School in Doha. And also, welcome to the semis po ang team DJ Giana. Maraming salamat po. Standby po tayo sa next game po. Thank you po. The semis po, sir. Any thoughts po? And ano yung masasabi mo, sir?
Sino ba makalaban namin semis?
Ha? Waiting ka kayo. Ang mga mananalo is from the bracket ng Cardinals sa kanang 3 John's Barbershop.
Good luck
Any thought po? Ha?
Good luck po sa mga kalaban namin sa semis.
Pero paano nyo nalo yung larong to? Parang hindi lang to. Medyo nirapan kayo sa una. Pero nakuha nyo yung redeem sa wakas.
Wala yung ano nila, yung
Big man
nila sa native player nila. Kaya
sige, okay po, Mansueto. Welcome to semis po, thank you po. Okay, ito po si Amada po, ang best player of the game. Mr. Amada, congratulations and welcome po pala sa semifinals ha. Waiting na po kayo. Ang mga kalaban nyo is possibly either Cardinals or 3 John's Barbershop. Sa other bracket po yan. Any thought po sir for coming to the semis po sir?
ano po, pakiulit po.
Any thought po sa semis po? Semis. Ay si Bakal, hatakin mo. O, Bakala. O, sige po. Teka, mami, shoutout. Welcome po sa semis po, sir. Any thoughts po sa larong po ito, sir? Ano masasabi mo?
Siyempre, lagi kami handa. Teamwork pa rin. Yung chemistry, dapat hindi namin para manalo kami. Makarating ulit sa finals.
Okay.
Hindi namin makuha yung finals ulit.
Okay, Sir Bakala? Walang copy-paste, sir. Originality, sir. O, ayun nga. Okay, sir. Ngayon, mayroon kay Chasa, kung makapamili ka ng mananalo, sino ang gusto nyo makalaban?
Kasi lahat mga teammate namin yun eh. Yung dalawang team na yun, kaya kahit sino pwede. Pero siguro Cardinals.
Cardinals, ha? Okay. Okay, now, shoutout, sir.
Shoutout
okay.
sa
loved ones o girlfriend mo, okay.
Sa mga taga-Batangas, Boss Paul Dribbler, sa mga teammates
Boss Paul Dribbler, yeah, tama.
Kay Boss Ram. Ram and friends.
Okay. Okay, thank you po ha. Congratulations po and also good luck po sa semis po.
Thank you.
Thank you po. See you po. 3, 2, 1.